This is absolutely a great opportunity for me to explain my friendship with 𝐶𝐐𝐳𝐿, who is one of my closest friends. I must say I am thankful to you, sir, for this opportunity you have given me to explain my friendship with 𝐶𝐶𝐳𝐿. I believe friends make our life more meaningful and enjoyable, and some mates step forward to teach us how special they are in our life. 𝐶𝐶𝐳𝐿 is such a friend, and I consider her as my best buddy. I know her since my school days. We went to the same school, stood shoulder to shoulder in adversity, shared our meals, and helped each other in our studies. I guess I met her in one day in our school while we were having our lunch in our school cafeteria. Our friendship is now more than 1 decade old. We have recently finished our SSC. I am from science major while 𝐶𝐶𝐳𝐿 is in arts, but we are still inseparable. We love to talk about our personal issues. She is the only person I can share absolutely everything and anything. We often play chess, enjoy movies, visit different places, debate our political differences, and share our thoughts about our career plans. Best friends always stick together and become more like sister than friends. I am absolutely convinced that 𝐶𝐶𝐳𝐿 is already has proven that she will support me in any way possible and help me out of any grave situation. No doubt her influence in my life is permanent, and she will always be my best friend. And this is why I like her so much and cherish her friendship a lot. Thank you all.